Hello guys, so let's learn how to simplify expressions by collecting like terms. So the first example, m plus 5m plus 7n plus 9m minus 4n. Just look at like terms like children of the same mother. And what, like I've explained in my other video about like terms, what determines the criteria for determining a like term is the variable, not the coefficient, the variable or variables and the exponent. So the first thing to do to simplify such expression is to organize your terms. Bring the ones that are similar together. So now I'll use different colors. The ones that have m, 3m plus 5m, there's another m here, then plus 9m. Have 7n minus 4n. I have grouped them together. That's how to collect like term. That's the first time. Then you begin to combine your coefficient. Now for this one, I have 3. Be conscious of the sign in front. 5, then plus 9. Put them in the bracket and write out your variable. Then plus coefficient of these two, I have plus 7m. That's, you don't need to write 7. Plus 7, then minus 4. Then you put n in the bracket. So let's solve for this. 3 plus 5 plus 9, that's 7 plus 9. That's 8 plus 9, that's 17. So I have 17m plus 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 multiplied by n is 3n. And you're done. So let's see another example. We have 4x minus 8x plus 9x. Here we have 3 terms, but they are all like terms. So all we just do, we don't need to organize it because they are the same. They all have the same variable. All we need to do here is to combine our coefficients. So I have 4 minus 8 plus 9. Bring back your variable. 4 minus 8, that's minus 4 plus 9 give us 5. 5 multiplied by x is 5x. That's it. Let me take another example. So I have a, that's example 3, a minus 3b minus 3c minus 4a plus 10b plus 8c. We have 3 different types of variables here, so we need to collect a like type. So I have a, organizing them by bringing them together. This as a, this as a. Okay, that's just 2. Then the b, you have b here, b here. Then for c now, here, here. So let's bring them together in the same order. I have a minus 4a plus, okay, it's minus 3b, the next b, plus 10b. C is now minus 3c plus 8c. So we'll combine our coefficient. The coefficient of a here is 1. We usually do not have to write that because it's 1 multiplied by a is a anyway. So we have 1 minus 4. You have a. Now, plus, let's see the next one. Plus, the coefficient of this one here is minus 3. Then plus 10b. Then plus minus 3, then coefficient of here is plus 8. If you notice that I wrote plus in all the instances, plus here, plus here, you would have expected that, okay, I'll write minus here, but because I'm adding all of them together, what I'm just trying to do is to combine this coefficient. There's another fast way to do that, which I will do straight. Now let's add this together. Let's solve for this. 1 minus 3, 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 multiplied by a is a. Is 3 minus 3 plus minus 3 plus 10 is plus 7 actually multiplied by b, that's 7b. Then let's see, I have minus 3 plus 8. Minus 3 plus 8 is plus 5. It's a plus multiplied by plus, say I have plus 5 plus 5c. And that will be our answer. But here, to cut all of this short, let's say I want to cut this off in case you are solving for an objective question, you can just solve for it straightforward from here. So here you can have something like a minus 3, 4 here is minus 3a. Minus 3b plus 10b is plus 7b. And minus 3c plus 8c is plus 5c. So you may not have to combine all of these together as I have shown here. And that's all. So next video, I'll teach you how to simplify expressions by removing brackets. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be the first to see my video. Like and share with your friends, and feel free to ask me questions on any of my social media platforms. I'll catch you guys later. Thank you.